Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over VPNs and Direct Connect. Now, VPNs and Direct Connect do share something in common. The goal for both of these services is to allow you the ability to connect from your on-premise data center to your AWS VPC. Now, with a site-to-site VPN, this type of connection goes through the public internet in an encrypted format. To establish this type of connection, we need to create a virtual private gateway on the AWS side. For the customer side, we would need to create a customer gateway. The customer gateway can be either a physical device or a virtual appliance that we can configure to work with our site-to-site VPN. Once the two are configured, we can then establish our VPN connection between the two. Since we are relying on the internet for this type of connection, we can experience different levels of service in our bandwidth and with our latency. So this means this type of connection is not consistent in performance. Now we also have the Direct Connect, which is a private connection between our AWS VPC and our on-premise data center. This is a third-party connection center that is usually physically located near your on-premise data center that can connect to your AWS VPC. At this Direct Connect location, we have the AWS cage, which has equipment that will directly connect to our AWS Direct Connect endpoint. We also have our equipment, which will connect to the AWS equipment and back to our customer gateway. Now, all of this traffic is going through a dedicated line and not the internet itself. Since this is a dedicated line, we also will experience consistent levels of service in our bandwidth and latency. Since this is a dedicated line, the cost with establishing this type of connection will also be more expensive than the VPN. For some type of businesses, this would be worth the cost. The main takeaway from both of these is that the VPN connection goes through the internet, and the level of service will depend on your internet connection, so it is not consistent. Also, that the Direct Connect connection provides a consistent level of service with a higher cost associated to it. I hope in this video you learned more about VPNs and Direct Connect. I'll see you in the next video.